It's a proper English scone. It's turning out to be an amazing month already.
Do you want a recipe for a good English scone that you normally buy from a bakery or have in a cafe? I've got you covered. This recipe is bulletproof and the result is absolutely amazing. So start off by adding your self-raising flour, followed by your baking powder and some sugar, and mix it all together and put it in a bowl. Now chop your butter. Your butter has to be really cold, which makes it easier to mix and turn that mix into like a crumb. Add it all in the bowl and make sure all that butter is fully covered, which helps it not stick to the paddle. Once you've done that, mix it until it turns into breadcrumbs. Once it does that, stop right there. Add your liquid. I put my liquid slightly warm, which makes it really nice and smooth. Mix it slightly. Once it comes together, take it off the mixing bowl straight away. Flour your surface and start rolling it. The reason why we don't want to over mix it, because it will stop the scone from actually getting bigger and get it this nice looking shape. So cut them in the shape that we normally use. I've shown you here the scone cutter that I normally use. It's actually on Amazon. Place them on a baking tray, brush them with some eggs, and then I like to sprinkle some brown demerara sugar. Bake them for 15 minutes on 200. Now once they cool down, add some strawberry jam and clotted cream. You can put them in any order you like, either strawberry first and cream or the other way around. It really doesn't matter, but I know some people get triggered by this, but I'll let you decide.
Sorry for the mess, I'm just gonna say it. This is really good. Look at all that cream and jam. I'm going to enjoy this.